Everyone is talented and everyone will definitely succeed in their life, but the amount of time they take to succeed will differs by these things. So if you use your college time properly, you'll definitely succeed early in your life. So in this video, I'm going to share how you can use your college time productively or efficiently with a great memories. So without investing 1 second, let's get into it.
4 years of this college is the 4 years of freedom. In that 4 years, you can do anything you want. You can become an entrepreneur, you can be a creator, you can be the topper of the college, and you can do anything you want because no one is going to judge you, no one is going to care about you. Your parents have no control on your life because they don't even know what you're doing. So this 4 years is the best 4 years of your entire life. So I'll highly recommend you to try new things and be fearless. Don't be afraid of anything. Start to do new things. Because when you try new things, it will definitely change your life.
Sorry, I forgot to share this thing in the video. That is, if you want to win your college life, you have to ignore three things. First one is food, sleep, family. If you don't ignore these three things, your entire college life will lead, because in colleges obviously food will not be good. So if you are more focused on food and comfort zone, you can't even improve in your college life. It's not going to be comfortable, it's going to be very very hard. You have to eat that crazy mess food, and also you have to sleep for just 4 to 5 hours, and you have to avoid your family for the sake of your future. There are going to be many sacrifices in our college. If you can sacrifice everything for your career, then obviously you will have a good career. And if you want to be in your comfort zone, then this video is not for you. This video is for the person who wants out of the comfort zone and get the things done.
Academic success. See, most of the students will have the goal like I have to be the topper, like I should get good grades in the college. If you want to get good grades, I will highly recommend you to improve the practical learning. Don't even run towards the grades. Always try to learn practically, like what is the one thing which you are seeing in the real life. For example, if you are studying a concept, see it in the real life, because if you get the marks doesn't matter. The knowledge matters a lot, because if you are actually doing a project in your company, what requires is the knowledge, because you will get that formulas in the Google itself, right?
So grades are the byproduct of your knowledge.
For suppose if you are not actually interested to study, or you are just joined just because of your parents, then the best thing is learn skills. In this digital world, skills are most important than degree, and we are seeing like Google is hiring more skilled persons than a graduate. There are so many things which you have to learn in the college, because after college it's very hard to learn all these skills.
So learn new skill, take advantages of workshops, certificates and courses on the topics like coding, designing, content creation, writing or public speaking. The one thing which completely changed my life is learning communication skills, because when you learn communication, you'll have that confidence to try new things, and you have that confidence to speak in front of people, which creates more opportunities for you.
Everyone will say like you should have good network is net worth. So yeah, that is very very important, but remember one thing, your skills is more important than your network, because if you have more number of skills, then automatically network will follow you. And this is the one thing which I observed practical.
And make network with the people who have more network. So yeah, if you have a high networked person as your friend, you can get so many things done, and that is what I did. So there is a friend of mine, he knows like every person in the college. If I want something, I'll ask him and he'll get the things done. So yeah, you need not to create your own network, but yeah, your network will definitely vary. Always try to include in internships or part-time job, because you should have the practical knowledge, leadership skills and all these things, and that can be only happen when you apply for internships or part-time jobs. So just don't blindly study for a long time. Apply for internships. So try new things. Go beyond your college. See, we'll always feel like we are the top of our college, but in reality, it's not like that. Outside of college, there are so many things which are going on. So don't just be in your college, just look outside of your college.
And the fifth one is focus on personal growth. See, as a person, it is very very important to improve ourselves, either to do running or the improving good habits, book reading, or so many things, improving communication skills, soft skills, and these kind of habits and skills is very very important to grow internally. See, externally we'll do so many things, but our internal state is very very important, mainly in college, because in college we'll have so many things like the judging, overthinking, proposals, rejections, and all these kind of problems. So for that you should be very strong internally to face all these things, because there will be so many distractions here. So your internal should be more strong when you want to focus on your career.
Don't waste your life on social media and these kind of platforms, because this time is very very important. You should also have that in your life, but what I genuinely feel like is our career is most important in our college life than these distractions and all these things. Of course we'll have those distractions, like we'll have that attractions and all these things, so it's okay, but you have to overcome all those things. So these are the things which you can effectively do in your college. So if you are doing something more effective in your college, you can just mention in the comments. So that's all for this video. Until then, it's your Hemanth Krishna signing off. Bye.